Live from WBFF in Baltimore, this is Fox 45 Morning News.
Looking ahead, it may be cold outside right now, but summer will be here before we know it. Many parents will be looking to send their children to summer camp. Kids need some chances to play and have fun after a tough couple of years that have taken a toll on their mental health. This morning, Emily Stern, the Jewish Community Center's Chief Program Officer, is joining us live. She's going to discuss how JCamp leaders are dealing with mental health challenges. Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning.
This is an important topic. I understand your team has implemented a camp care team. Tell us what that is and why you've integrated it and how you've done that.
Yeah, absolutely. So we really found over the last few years, especially last summer, the mental, emotional, social health of kids is just really at the forefront of our minds. COVID and the pandemic has just unfortunately wreaked havoc on the mental health of kids, and our camp care team is here to support them. We have always had a camper support staff member on our staff, but last summer we found one person just wasn't enough. We really needed to make sure that we were supporting all of our campers and our staff in all of their needs. We saw an increase in volume and frequency in a variety of different areas of mental, emotional, social health needs. So we're doubling down on the number of staff that we have that are there to support our communities, so that way they can be in a program that is welcoming and inclusive, and they can create and explore and do all the things that kids are meant to do at summer camp, but with the support structures in place to do that.
Were you seeing just like kind of the group activities being a little more daunting? Like what exactly are you seeing?
Yeah, it was a combination of a lot of different things, and it really just depended on the camper and the staff member for that matter. It was amazing to think the fact that our third graders right now, their last typical year of school was kindergarten. So we had a lot of just not really knowing how to be in a social setting with others. So there was, physical aggression, there was anxiety, there was more adult language, which was an interesting one. Really just saying things that they maybe didn't quite understand what it meant and how that affected them and others. So there was a lot of that going on, and really our camp care team is something that we are putting in place this summer so that we can not only be proactive before camp starts by getting information from parents about how their children have been throughout the pandemic and how they are now, and put plans in place before the summer, and also have more professionals and more consistent care for our entire community.
Yeah, and I know everyone's so looking forward to getting back together again. If somebody is interested in getting their kids into a summer camp with the JCC, we've got a few seconds left. How early do they need to start talking with you guys and figuring that out?
Right now, registration is open. We actually have our early bird running through tomorrow. So it's a great time to register now. Things are filling up. We want to give kids the chance to experience Camp at the J. It's an amazing time, and we can't wait for another wonderful summer.
All right. Emily Stern, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate it. It's an important discussion.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much.